Honey!
Hello!
Ay, pagod ako. Ang busy namin. Ay! Ay, may flowers ako. Thank you.
Oo.
Oh, ilagay mo na dyan sa ano para ano.
Aray, ang sakit ng puso. Aray ko.
Ay, my card! Ay, my
Siyempre.
card! Ay, ano to?
Sabi ko muna doon.
Ay, teka, ano my card?
Basahin mo.
To the love of my life. For my wife, with love on our anniversary. It always means so much to have a special wife like you to think about and care about and count on always. And hope you always know that I'm grateful as can be for all you are and all you do. You're everything to me. For being my wife, for loving me as I am, for being the most loving mom, for sharing our dreams, for traveling the world with me, for always supporting me, for always being by my side, for the journey ahead. Thank you and I will always love you. Honey J. Walang cash.
Ba? Buwis na to. Tatransfer na lang kita. Buwis.
Hi guys, good evening. This is Joy of Jenjoy Channel. In today's video, please join us na mag-celebrate ng anniversary namin with my son. So 7:20 na ngayon. Pareho kaming nag-work muna ni Jay. We decided na after dinner magpunta na ng Bristol. Last day na exam niya ngayon and hopefully gagraduate na siya sa July. Kaya excited kami and yun nga mag-moving out na siya. Pero babalik pa kami ng July for the graduation and yun yung complete moving out.
Keep right after 300 yards and continue.
Ito guys, nakakalungkot kasi nag-umpisa na kaming mag-vacate ni Jay. Mag-moving out na si Dane dito and babalik kami ng July para sa graduation and fully moving out. Yeah. Last look sa bahay, ito living room nila, katabi ng kitchen. Yan, maganda naman tong place. And then dito merong extra toilet. And then pagbaba mo, so ito yung study room nila. Ayan. Ayan, toilet doon. Ito, nabakate na namin. Yan. Tapos yung dalawang drawer. Nabakate ko na rin. Natatlo pa lang. Yung isa meron pa. Yan. Ito yung mga damit ni Dane na natira. Uy! Ano ba yan? Censored! Ayan. Yung pa yung ano. Ang dami na nga nadala ni Jay eh. Preliminary moving out namin pero halos wala na. Dami naming naihahakutin. Daming gamit ni Dane Marcus, ba? Honey, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Eto, daming gamit ni Dane. Ito guys, yung preliminary moving out namin. Grabe, oh look, punong-puno pati yung likod. So last day ni Dane, babalik kami sa July.
Yung pumunta kanina?
Yeah, like he was...
So you know him from before?
Yeah. So.
KFC muna kami. Ayan. Ayan. And then, oh, yan ang sa akin. Then, kay Dane. Ayan. Oh,